John Lennon once said, "A dream you dream alone is only a dream. A dream you dream together, that is reality."
Nick, on our wedding day, it's finally here. It has been an amazing journey to get where we are. The best part is it's only the beginning. I'm so thankful your hands and heart are the ones I get to hold forever.
To my peach, Casey. Today is the day. Who would have thought I would have ended up spending the rest of my life with my 7th grade crush? From the moment I met you, I knew that we were going to be each other's soulmate. You made it so easy to fall in love with you, and you've always been patient with me.
I love you so much and cannot wait to be your wife. See you soon, handsome. Love, your peach.
I love you, Casey, and I promise to be the husband you always wished for. Today starts the rest of our lives together, so let's cherish it together and enjoy the hell out of it. Do you like the dress, huh?
God, you're so beautiful. Oh, man. Crying like a baby.
That's all right. You're cute when you cry. You're pulling it
Get it out now.
You're pulling it off.
Get it out now.
Today, I couldn't be more proud to see the gentleman that Nick has become. From the moment he was born, he was a good baby, and he's still a good baby today. He will always be my baby.
This is a day that seems to fly. So I want you to take a few seconds to look into each other's eyes. Think about the happiness you are feeling in this place, in this moment.
And I may not be able to pinpoint the exact moment in time when he knew that she would be the one. But I think I'm gonna say it's when he started rocking that beard.
I am excited to see your family grow even bigger, and I do not mean new dogs.
All I need is more. One more hour, one more minute, one more chance for me to win it. Yeah,
This is actually the only time in my life I'm going to be able to speak without being interrupted by Casey. So please bear with me. I have a lot to say.
One day she mentions how weird it was that this random guy from middle school reached out to her on Facebook. The next thing I know, this random guy is driving from Bradenton for a date.
I still remember watching his favorite childhood movie on repeat, VHS, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Nick, it's been an honor to watch you love and spoil Casey and get to see the heart and lightness that you bring to her.
Over the years, you have not just been a brother, a United States Marine, college graduate, homeowner, but most importantly now, you earned the title of husband.
Hi.
Nick, Debbie and I have always tried to treat you as part of our family since the first day we met you, and your love for Casey was always obvious to us as well. Over the years, our thoughts and feelings of you have proven to be correct, and for that reason, we also seen you more as a son rather than a son-in-law.
From seeing him march through those bay doors at his Paris Island ceremony to Afghanistan, and the obstacles he faced always gave me inspiration, and I consider him one of my heroes.
As a mother, all I've ever wanted for my son is for him to be happy. And see how happy he is with Casey today and always, which he has given him the greatest gift a mother could ask for.
I choose you, Casey,
I choose you, Nick,
to be my wife,
to be my husband,
to live together,
and laugh together,
to always seek out the best in you,
always loving you,
with all my heart,
until the end
of our forever.
I'll